Packing is often the most time-consuming and stressful part of any move. Protecting fragile items, organizing boxes, and preparing everything for transport can quickly become overwhelming. Professional packing services in Raleigh help you save time, reduce stress, and ensure your belongings are properly protected before moving day even begins. Professional packing services are designed to prepare your home safely and efficiently. Movers wrap furniture, protect fragile items, label boxes clearly, and organize everything room by room. This structured approach makes unpacking easier and helps your move start smoothly. Not every move requires full packing. Full-service packing is ideal when your schedule is tight or you're preparing for a long-distance move. Partial packing works well when you only need help with specific rooms or fragile items. Flexible options allow you to choose the level of support that fits your timeline and budget. Fragile and high-value items require special attention. Professional packers use protective materials and proven techniques to secure glassware, artwork, electronics, antiques, and specialty furniture. Proper packing reduces the risk of damage during transport and keeps your move running smoothly. Desktop computer slide text. Hiring licensed and experienced packers makes your move more organized and efficient. Better Life Moving provides reliable packing services in Raleigh with high-quality materials, flexible scheduling, and transparent pricing, helping you move with confidence and less stress.